Whether you are striving to machine high-quality surface finishes or increase your production throughput, PowerMill 2024 delivers with multiple enhancements and new features which aid you in reaching your manufacturing goals. Kicking off with the inclined flat finishing strategy, which was introduced in PowerMill 2023.0. This innovative toolpath has been further enhanced with the addition of a new filtering option that can be used to prevent machining of small flat regions. During calculation, flat areas with a width less than the user-defined value are ignored, removing the need for manual editing, simplifying the process, and reducing overall time needed for CAM programming. Moving on to the area clearance toolpath, if you've ever used the vortex option, you'll know that this creates a toolpath with additional steps up the part geometry to remove material left between each level. This has also been enhanced with the ability to define a minimum axial engagement. When defined, any steps that do not meet or exceed this value are no longer calculated, resulting in toolpaths that are more efficient and decrease cycle times. The new rest finishing strategy, which was released in PowerMill 2023.1, now includes an overlap option, similar to that provided in other toolpath strategies. When activated, a user-defined value increases the size of the rest area that is detected and machined, which reduces the risk of small amounts of material being left along the edges of these areas during the rest machining process. Machining setups see further improvements with the ability to define point distribution parameters that can be applied to all toolpaths in the setup and to any new toolpaths as they are created. Individual toolpaths can opt out of these settings by unselecting the option in the settings form of the toolpath. The orientation of raster toolpath angles has been improved in multiple toolpaths including area clearance, raster flat, and inclined flat machining strategies when using the automatic option, so that toolpath segments are better aligned with part geometry. Two enhancements have been made to deep drilling cycles, increasing the control of the process and improving tool safety. When specifying a partial retraction between pecks, a distance from the top option now lets you control the retraction distance from the top of the hole. This distance can be positive or negative, allowing for the tool to be fully retracted or remain engaged with the hole if desired. Additionally, the retraction length between pecks now remains constant from one peck to the next. This value can be set either as a factor of the nominal peck distance or as an absolute distance. Finally, the flowline strategy now has a new option to create a toolpath without the need for embedded patterns. In addition to greatly simplifying the programming and saving time, this new option should create toolpaths with less likelihood of fragmentation, resulting in better quality toolpaths. This new flowline option also includes a new spiral option that removes unnecessary tool entry points to further enhance surface finish quality. To learn more about this new option in detail, make sure to check out the tutorial video. With this extensive list of new features and enhancements in PowerMill 2024, you can have even more confidence in your ability to make amazing CNC machined parts.